Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to install and reinstall the luggage compartment cover and more, and how to get more space in your trunk. So first step, open the boot lid with the luggage compartment cover. As you can see, the luggage compartment cover blocks the view into the luggage compartment itself. To detach, let's start and have a look. Now, first step is detach the cords on both sides. As you can see, there is a little loop on the upper side. This can you detach easily. Now press the luggage compartment cover out of the left mounting and pull it away toward the left. That means you will take it up a little bit and have a look there. And there's the left side, as you can see. There it is. This is our extraction point. So now press. It's not the right side to get it off. You have to start on the left side because the right side is locked. So press the luggage compartment cover out of the left mounting. That means push it upward a little bit. And after you pushed it up, then it's free to take out. So you can only use your hand for this. Easy going. Push up a little bit and then pull it away towards the left. There it is. One side is off, the other is locked again. Now pull it out toward and take out the cover. Good job, as you can see. The luggage compartment cover must always be fixed properly, risk of accident. And the luggage compartment cover should not be used as storage itself. Items placed on this cover could cause injury, an accident, or it breaks applied suddenly. And here you can see the plus thing. The bottom of your trunk has Duplo inside. I like Duplo. Oh yeah. But I will show you more storage space inside of your car. This is the mount where is the bottom plate of the luggage compartment is laying down in the upper version. But you can use it to get more space if you get it on the bottom itself. This will give you more space. This is a comfortable way. Here you can see it. The cover has to be slipped down at the seat's back. And now it's a comfortable way to get something in this and get it out. Here you can see it is easy. But there is more space available. The only thing you have to do is lift up this bottom plate and then slide it backward a little bit until it's dripped or dropped on the bottom itself. Now you can see you have so much more space at your small car. I think this are 20 centimeters more. I think maybe 15. And here you can see there is space for more delicious stuff. So it is to get more space into your trunk. So let's get back to topic. To install the luggage compartment cover, hold it almost completely upright, keeping the lower edge straight behind the brackets. Rest. Now rest the luggage compartment cover loosely on the mountings and fold it down. And here you can see the things where it will be rested. There it is. We will start on the right side to get this back in position. Get it and install it. Easy, as you can see. Again, go in, job's done. Again, go in, job's done. There it is. Press now the luggage compartment cover into the mounting on both sides. That means, yeah, the left side is now good. Now, the luggage compartment cover is reinstalled easily, and it will give you a little bit of cover. Now attach the cords to the boot lid. Swipe it up and lock it in these knobs. Good job, as you can see. Easy going. So that it is how to install and reinstall the luggage compartment cover and get more space into your truck. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And see you next time again. Soon.